look at Jammu and Kashmir at this point, and Jammu and Kashmir numbers coming up on your screen right here, and the situation in Jammu and Kashmir in terms of the numbers is Jammu and Kashmir Congress NC alliance at 50, BJP at 22, PDP at 2, others at 16, and joining the debate this morning, Sujata Bashir, spokesperson of the DPAP, Sohit Sharma, leader of the PDP, also joining the debate this morning. Sohit Sharma ji, PDP 2 सीटों पर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और कांग्रेस की अलायंस को शायद आपकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, सरकार बना लेंगे। क्या लगता है इस बार का चुनाव अलायंस नहीं किया नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और कांग्रेस के साथ आपके लिए सही डिसीजन था?
देखो, बात ऐसी है, जब से हमारी पार्टी का गठन हुआ है तब से हम इंडिविजुअली ही इलेक्शंस लड़ते आए हैं, चाहे 2002 की बात हो चाहे 2008 की बात हो। 2002 में उस समय भी नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की 28 सीटें थी और कांग्रेस की 20 सीटें थी और पीडीपी की 16 सीटें थी। तब भी हमने एज ए सीएम 2002 में मुफ्ती मोहम्मद सईद साहब ने चीफ मिनिस्टर के तौर पर जम्मू कश्मीर में काम किया था। वो उसी तरह से वो 2014 में 28 सीटें हैं। ठीक है, विचारों की लड़ाई है, आने वाला समय पीडीपी का अच्छा ही होगा। ठीक है, ये अभी चल रहा है, अभी उम्मीद है कि हम एक किंग मेकर के तौर पर आगे आएंगे ही आएंगे। अभी 12 बजे तक हमें वेट कर लेना चाहिए। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि हम सीटों पे आगे आएंगे ही आएंगे।
Also Sujata Bashir, बीजेपी जम्मू कश्मीर में कुछ इस वक्त ऐसी पोजीशन में नहीं है कि वो कोई भी कॉलिंग कार्ड हो, चाहे 5 एमएलए जो नॉमिनेटेड हैं उनको भी अगर मिला लिया जाए। डीपीएपी इंडिपेंडेंस जो समझा जा रहा था कोई रोल करेंगे, अगर ये नंबर रहे नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और कांग्रेस के तो शायद वो भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आप इस चुनाव को कैसे देखते हैं?
Take it as a positive because जो बीजेपी ने यहाँ किया हुआ है in a Kashmir, people don't want that. People, they have really played with the emotions of people, and that is why the people are taking NC in there because they don't want someone who will really play with their emotions. उनकी identification एक खत्म हो गई। Article 370 is also the affected on this because जो ने Article 370 हटाया, this is the result what happened in the elections, and after 10 years that means a big deal क्योंकि हमारी पार्टी को भी अभी आके 2 साल हो गए। So we just give some of the candidates, so we are just in the trial no doubt, but we are leading some. अभी आप अगर क्या कहते हैं डोडा देखें तो we are leading there. So let's see because no doubt NC and Congress is leading because they have.
Shazia Ilmi, do you want to respond to that?
Yes, I want to respond and I want to ask Sujata. Sujata, what makes you think that people want the Hartal Raj, they want the calendar Raj, they want a corrupt Raj? Do you not think that this is real Azadi? And do you not believe that whether it's the parliamentary elections or DDC elections, your party and PDP and NC have failed miserably? In fact, both Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti lost, and they lost badly. So if they really were, this was really a mandate, and if we were talking about this is reflecting the will of the people, surely both of them would have done well in the Lok Sabha.
You just finished the identification of Kashmiris. Don't talk about the Hartals and all that things. Hartal was in 2016, it was over. So now this is the result with the PDP and with the BJP because they played a game.
So you want stone pelting to continue. You want terrorism to continue. You don't want the GDP to do better. You don't want more medical colleges.
Are you taking?
For the first
why
time
are you
in Jammu and Kashmir,
the terrorism? There is no question of
which has
terrorism.
two aims.
There is no question of terrorism.
Two aims, one IIT, one
the people
one IIT, one IIM.
The people who have selected
4 medical colleges, you have 11 medical colleges. If you look at medical seats,
where?
people want to step out. People don't want to die. People don't want stone pelters. People want a better future. People want that. You know the Ayushman got 85 lakh gold cards. People want health. People want development.
Yes. It is every government has to do that. Then what for they are in
It
the
is
government?
because of
Every
BJP,
government has
it
to
is
do
because
that
of
development.
LG, it is
No,
because of normalcy, it is because of peace and normalcy.
You put your own
Retaining
BJP
Jhavali
people as an
for
MLA.
the first
So it is
time in 30
definitely
years, my
discrimination.
friend.
This is a discrimination.
Please, ladies,
Before the election,
calm down
you put
while
your